What's up, guys? This is Chyna B bringing you a quick and easy cakesicle tutorial. So what we're going to do is start out with some cake scraps. Yes, when you level your cakes, don't throw that cake away. We can use it for cakesicles. It's actually perfect. Now what I'm doing here is just crumbling up the extra cake scrap. And I want to shoot for a sandy texture. Just make sure there's no big lumps. Now here comes the buttercream. I'm using American buttercream, but you can use any kind that you make. And you want to coat your cake scraps. The consistency we're looking for is like a cookie dough consistency. You want to add a little bit at a time. That was actually a lot of bit, but a little bit at a time, because you can always add more, but you can't take any away. So just keep that in mind. And I'm just moving the cake around and slowly coating it until I get the consistency that I like. I literally had just enough buttercream to make these cakesicles, thank goodness. But this is the perfect consistency. When it starts to come together and form like cookie dough, it's perfect, just like that. Yeah. Now I'm filling my cakesicle mold about halfway with the cookie dough consistency cake dough. I need to come up with a better name for that. But there's a slot in the mold that you use to push your popsicle stick in. Just push those in and add more cake dough. Make sure it's level. You want to apply even pressure, not too much pressure that you misshapen the cakesicle, but just enough so it's firmly packed. Now I will leave the link in the description below for this mold. I absolutely love it. I got it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap too, and it came with cake popsicle sticks or popsicle sticks that you can use for the mold too. So it was a pretty good bargain. Now these cake popsicles are going to go in the freezer for an hour and come out. You pop those out of the mold by pushing up on the stick. I use almond bark for coating all my treats. It's better to me than candy melts because it's easier to use and it's not as thick. A tall glass helps with these, and you just rub off the excess. While the cakesicle is still wet, again, the almond bark dries pretty quickly, so you want to apply your sprinkles as soon as you lay your cake popsicle down, like I'm doing here. And you just continue until you finish. There you have it. They are done. A quick and easy treat for any party. You can decorate them any way you like, and they taste amazing. And if you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and stay sweet.